Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's no secret that pets are one of the most expensive things you can have. Owning a pet is like having a child that you can't directly speak to, but you still love them with all your heart. Even popular pets like dogs and cats can add up due to all supplies and medical care. Yet, if you are looking for a rare exotic pet, then the purchase price alone will be enough to break your bank. Before bringing home any animal, you need to make sure you are fully prepared. You should have all the supplies ready before bringing that animal into your home. For many exotic animals, this will include setting up a suitable environment for them without cutting any corners. Your home will be the place that animal lives out the rest of their life, so it's crucial that it's safe and comfortable for them. Number 10. Capuchin Monkey. After seeing capuchin monkeys on the big screen for shows like Friends and movies like Night at the Museum, it's difficult not to want one of your own. They have such lovable personalities that make them almost seem human-like. However, in real life, they can have aggressive behavior, so they are only recommended to expert caretakers. Number 9. Hyacinth Macaw. Price $14,000. Elegant birds like the Hyacinth Macaw are often beloved for their beautiful color patterns. Yet it's important to remember that birds are much more difficult to care for than they look. They can often reach 40 inches tall and have a wingspan of 60 inches. They are gentle, elegant birds, but even tough they can be loud. They are not the best at talking. They have been known to live for 50 years, so getting one is a lifelong commitment. Number 8. Samoyed. Price $14,000. The Samoyed is one of the most beloved dog breeds in the world. Most people cannot resist the white cloud-like coat of these dogs. Not only for these dogs in high demand, but they are also expensive dogs for responsible breeders to breed and care for. They are very social and adventurous, which appeals to many dog lovers. Number 7. Palm Cockatoo. Price $16,000. These massive birds are distinguished by the feather mohawk feature on the top of their heads. They might not be brightly colored like the Hyacinth Macaw, but they still have a regal appearance. They can be fun, intelligent birds to have around, but they require lots of attention. They might scream or act aggressive if they ignore for too long. The life average of these birds is 40 to 60 years, but they could even reach 80 to 90 years. Number 6. Savannah. Price $20,000. The Savannah cat is not your typical house cat. They are actually an African serval breed with a regular house cat. Since they are domesticated animal breed with a wild animal, the loss can greatly vary. However, they are not dangerous in any way, and they are actually considered a desirable pet because they have the loyalty of a dog but the independence of a cat. Number 5. Stag Beetle. Price $89,000. Most people don't want any bugs in their house, so they especially don't pay thousands of dollars to have one in their home. These massive beetles are considered a prized possession to many, so bugs will pay high prices just to own one. Despite having massive pinchers, they primarily only eat leaves. Unfortunately, these beetles usually only live 1 to 2 years. Number 4. White Loin. Price $140,000. As you can imagine, any type of big cat will likely require a permit to own, and in many areas it could be illegal, so make sure you look over the laws before getting your heart set on a rare loin. These cubes appear white due to a color mutation that was first spotted in 1938. The lighter coloring alone is what makes them so desirable. They come in regular loin litters, so finding one is incredibly difficult. Number 3. Clone Dog. Price $155,000. If you thought regular dogs were expensive, think again. Cloning your dog is often more expensive than buying any pure breed puppy. The reason some people choose this route is because they just can't let their dog go. When their dog passes away, they want to have a dog that's nearly identical. Yet, a clone will never be the same as an original. So instead of spending so much money to clone your own dog, it might be better to adopt a dog in need and donate the rest of the money to help thousands of other dogs too. Number 2. Tibetan Mastiff. Price $1.5 million. Tibetan Mastiff are one of the largest dog breeds in the world. They were first bred as guard dogs, and they were capable of protecting sheep from any other danger that approach, including wolves, leopards and bears. Their thick coats of fur make them tolerant to even the coldest temperature. The reason this breed is less common today is because they are expensive to own. Not only do they eat a lot and require a lot of grooming, but they are also prone to many health condition issues. Number 1. Thoroughbred Horse. Price $1.6 million. Most kids have dream of having their very own pony, but having a thoroughbred racing horse is an entirely different story. Like most horses, their care is not easy either. They need to eat 15 to 20 pounds of clean grass every day, and thinking about cleaning up after them is already exhausting enough. So caring for one of these active horses can feel like a full-time job. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please Please subscribe our YouTube channel.